I know the drill at this point, boy. My man's nickname is El Bozo. Okay, I need wool. Okay. But I need wool for myself, since you're gonna use. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna post that. Coming, I'm fine. Let's oh. He's low! Dang it! Get him! He's like really low! He's gonna die of fall damage. He's gonna take a lot of chunk doing fall damage though. Oh, that's a problem. I'll get the emeralds, that way he doesn't have a chance of getting them. Do you want me to get a grapple hook or we? Oh, never mind. Someone already stole them. Okay. Okay. I have three. I'm running. Bro, protect me, bro. Here you go, take him. Yes! I mean, yes, not less.